Hey everybody, it's Anna. This holiday season I am doing a big sale on a bunch of my art. This is painted canvases, this is painted vases, this is painted cabochon jewelry, and it's other assorted painted items that I've done. So there's a lot in there, and some of these things have pretty steep discounts. There's Christmas themed paintings, there's other non-Christmas themed paintings. This could be gifts, this could be a gift for yourself. There's a lot of options here. So I've put a link down in the video description to my website, which is annabluntart.com, and the majority of the stuff in my sale is going to be available there. There are a few either delicate or large items that might not be available for shipping from the website. If you happen to live close to me and you want to get it in person, then those things can be found on my Facebook page, which is also Anna Blunt Art. But I think it's time to look at all my sale items. So let's check out some paintings. This 15 by 30 inch painting is all about water. A gentle gradient moves from light colors at the top to deep, rich tones at the bottom. This next piece was my very first mixed media butterfly painting. It's 8 by 24 inches, it has 3 sets of real butterfly wings embedded in the paint, and you can see the texture of the wings through the varnish. Get in the spirit of the holidays with this 16-inch poinsettia flower. A vibrant Dutch bloom is framed with some brush-painted leaves. A subtle crackle texture makes the whole painting feel a bit more wintry. This 16 by 20 inch painting is inspired by my home state of West Virginia. The background is a gradient of earth tones, while the spiral design gives a nod to the blue and yellow colors of West Virginia University. This next painting is a 20-inch explosion of color inspired by spring. Lots of overlapping, swooping ribbons will give your eyes plenty to look at. Who likes butterflies? This 20-inch painting is a whimsical interpretation of a monarch butterfly on a milkweed flower. Lots of beautiful details here, from the butterfly itself, to the bubbly wings, to the metallic flowers. This next painting is a 12 by 24 inch vine climbing up a tree trunk. There are so many interesting patterns here, from the swooping vine to the pebbled tree bark. This 12 by 24 inch Christmas painting is inspired by a candy cane. Diagonal bands of red and gold alternate with stripes of green and silver, making for a bright and festive piece. In this next 12 by 24 inch piece, I've tried to capture the feelings of romance. A masculine color flow dances with a feminine color flow, meeting in the middle for a gentle embrace. This wooden trout shape is painted with the colors of a rainbow trout, but of course in a much more whimsical interpretation. A small hole in the dorsal fin allows the trout to be hung on the wall. One of my favorite bloom pours ever, this 14-inch piece is inspired by the colors of the American Southwest. Packed with lacing and metallic shimmer, this painting would look great in any space. This next 10 by 20 inch painting was inspired by a magical experience with the Northern Lights. A pink and green glow fills the night sky, with silhouetted trees and mountains. The Big Dipper constellation can also be seen in the sky. Here's another 10 by 20 inch Aurora Borealis painting, but interpreted a little bit differently. I wanted to highlight the constantly changing, dancing nature of the Northern Lights with this swipe. Few things are more relaxing than a tropical coral reef. This 11 by 14 inch painting shows a layered metallic reef in tropical waters. If you're looking for a festive painting, look no further. This 12-inch piece is packed with swooping Christmas colors and has 3 sparkly raised snowflakes in the center. These 2 6-inch paintings are so cute. Featuring a delicate feathered pattern and Christmas colors, they would add a pop of festive color to any small space. This wooden tray is a celebration of the tropical ocean. Turquoise sides set off a dramatic painted tray sealed with a glossy coat of resin. This cute framed painting is actually a pane of glass dipped into a ring pour. With deep blue and metallic bronze, it's a gorgeous piece that can hang on a wall or stand on its own. This 12-inch clock shows peaceful overlapping waves of water. But when viewed at the right angle, check out the surprising pink accents. Inspired by the colors of West Virginia University, this 12-inch wall clock has lots of intricate layers of blue, yellow, and metallic gold. So the next category in the sale is my glass vases and these jars. And so what's cool about these is they're all painted on glass vases, and the paint is on the outside, so the inside is glass. It's very waterproof, it can still hold flowers. They all have a plastic disc at the bottom, so the paint is not going to stick on your tabletop or your counter or whatever surface you have that on. I have two vase sizes, large and small. They have a beautiful semi-gloss finish and can be gently hand-washed. If you buy 2 or more, you get a discount. And then with these jars, again, they're painted on the outside. And the top comes off and you can fill them with cookies or sugar or Q-tips for the bathroom or whatever you feel like putting in here. You could use it in the kitchen or the bathroom. They're really cute. They have a beautiful glossy finish and a gorgeous wavy design. These jars can be gently hand-washed. The larger jars have silver lids, and the smaller, squarer jars have rose gold lids. Buy 2 or more and you get a discount. My jewelry is made of paint skins and glass cabochons. They are really neat, miniature pieces of fluid art. The glass dome of the cabochon makes a cool 3-dimensional effect and highlights the metallic paint colors. I have pendants of various colors, including several holiday-themed designs. Some pendants are in simple round frames, and others are in specialty settings, which make them extra fun and unique. I also have some bracelets, which have handmade leather straps of various colors. The straps give a comfortable, adjustable fit that doesn't slide around too much on your wrist. Several of the bracelets and pendants have matching designs and can be bought as a set. I also have some keychain clips, which are a really cute combination of a painted cabochon and a colorful tassel. My jewelry can be viewed and purchased on my Facebook page and my Etsy page. Links are in the video description below. Thanks for watching as I've showed you everything that is part of this year's holiday painting sale. Now these sale prices are good from now until the end of 2025, so jump on it if you'd like to grab something. The links to my Facebook page and my website, AnnaBluntArt.com and Anna Blunt Art on Facebook, those are both down in the video description, so you can find all of the sale stuff there. But I hope that you guys have a very happy holiday season, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!